Today we are starting with count if. We have done the count, counter blank, and the counter the previous time. I believe you have played your hands on it and you have been able to achieve one or two things. So for now, we shall be looking at the count if. Count if. This counts how many cells in a range that meets a certain condition. As I've told you that almost all the function on Excel work with criteria. You need to input a conditional, especially when you are using the formula of if. If means a condition formula. You are placing that thing on a particular condition. Now I have my data here in front of me. I have the name of people that drive a car, the car they are driving, and the trade that they were doing, and the rate per hour. Now we want to use our count if to do one or two things on it. I said count if functions need 2 bits of information, that is the range of cells you were looking at and what it is that you are checking for. Those are the 2 information you need to give Excel if you are to use your count if formula. The range of cells you are looking at. For every function, there must be a particular range of cells that you want to look at, and exact thing that you are looking for that you want to count. Now, I have the question here that says, given the above, find how many plumbers trade with car. Yes, how many plumbers use their car for trading? Let us see. Now that is what we want to look at. How many plumbers trade with car? Very good. Our car trade is on column C. As you could see, we have the trader here, the bricklayer, the plasterer, and the plumber. Now to check for how many plumbers trade with car, it's very simple. Just enter the formula equals count if, open your brackets, equals count if, open your bracket. Our trade is in which column? Is in column C. Have you seen it? I'm going to use a range of cells so that we can be learning all what we have been taught. Do we see now? Then our conditioner, it says what exactly you are looking for. I have done the part 1 that says the range of cells you are looking at. The range of cells I'm looking at is from C4 through to C9. And the second criteria must follow. What it is that you are looking for. I am looking for what? Plumber. You initiate it by putting a comma to indicate, as you could see, this is the range you have fulfilled it. It remains the criteria. Then you go with your semicolon that says plumber. Once you have done that, I have complete my range and the criteria. Then you close your bracket. Enter. It will give you the answer. What does it give you? It says 2. Go to your cell reference and see it on your formula bar. Count if C4 to C9 plumber. Let us see, is it correct? From this place, from your C4 to C9, how many plumber do we have? 1, 2. Then our calculation is very correct. That is our count if. Very simple as that. The second question says, how many trade people charge more than $70 per hour? How many of them charge more than $70 per hour? It's very simple. Number 1, you are going to enter your formula, count if, bracket, range of cell. Range of cell. Do you see? This is my range of cell with a comma. Then we go to the criteria. What is the criteria? More than 70. More will make you to use greater than symbol. So we use our greater than symbol. More than 70. Then you initiate with your 70. Greater than symbol. More than 70. Then you close your bracket and you enter. What do I have here? I have 5 trader. That means 5 trader charges more than 70. Let's cross check our work to see if we truly get it. 1, 76, 78, 84, 98, 87. That is what? They are 5. Very correct. But now, if the question now asks you, how many trader charges below 70? below 70. How many trader charges below 70? You are still going to use your count if. Then you get your range of what? Range of self. Yes. Then you initiate with comma. Don't forget your quotation mark. Below we mean less than 70. Then input your close quotation, then close your bracket. It will give you only 1. That is all with your count if. But also, I've told us when we are doing the form if that this criteria, we should know where we will be using our equal sign. If the question asks you how many people is charging from 50 and above, that form indicates 50 should be included. If you don't put equal sign, it will not give you. Let me change this to 70 direct. Now, do you see what happens to my A22? This one changed to 4. It was 5 before because this number was increased. Go to your cell reference, greater than 70, because we failed to include the 70 to it. And for us to include that 70 to it, you have to do it with your equal sign. Count if your range of cell greater than or equals, comma, quotation, then you have greater than or equals to 70. Immediately you put this your equal sign, you are telling the system that from 70 and above, then it will change to 5. That is our count if. I believe with this simple explanation, we have been able to understand one or two things. I've always tell us if you have any question or you encounter some difficulties when you are doing all these things, just drop your question in the comment section and we will surely give you a reply.